this is passive voice. Yena gidam giyade. By whom the song is sung.
Tam janah satkurvanti.
So is giyate atmanepadi?
Yeah.
Atmanepadi.
It is a passive voice.
Atmane and kartari. I think it is both atmane and kartari.
Karmani.
Sorry, karmani. Atmane and karmani.
The karmani will be always in atmane form. Karmani verb will be always in atmane form.
Not really. Actually, in the table there are at times separate atmanepadi and karmanipadi.
The atmanepadi verb is there. That is called ubhayapadi. See, for example, pajadi, pajade. So that is called ubhayapadi. That is, they can be used in two ways.
No, that is fine. At times I see three ways.
There will be three. Pajadi, pajade, pachyade. Like that. Pachyade is a karmani prayogam. So like that, gayadi, giyade. This is karmani prayogam.
Oh.
Namaste.
Internet. Namaste.
Namaste.
That's why I couldn't connect.
Problem. We were anyway revising.
So what are you doing today?
We were doing
chapter 10. Chapter 10 of Pravesha book.
Yeah, we were doing.
Oh, okay. So you didn't prepare any questions? No.
I think you said that and Krishna Mahadev didn't even come.
No. He mailed us actually. He is having some issue.
Is your face swollen or is it the angle of the camera is like that?
Now?
Yes.
Now better?
Better. Yeah.
I think she has kept her phone.
We will do some actually. Today I'm not able to use the whatever topics I have got ready for today because of this internet issue. I'm using my husband's mobile and Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarva Karyeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwarah Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Vakyakaram Vararutim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakaram Cha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Pathami Samskritam Nityam Vadami Samskritam Sada Dhyayami
Vande Samskrita
Samskritam
Mataram.
Today, actually, I had a very good article about lotus. Now, unable to share with you. Anyhow, I can read if you. That would be better.
Maybe if you want, you can do a WhatsApp.
No. Today, internet is not there for me.
No, I'm telling in the phone, in our group, you can do a WhatsApp, we can see there itself.
That I can do. Yes. In the meanwhile, I'll give you sentences. You can try to translate.
That is what we were practicing.
Oh, okay. That's good. No, they're all very simple sentences. It would be very easy for you.
Ma'am, we understand. Very simple for you.
Shishuh Jananeem Alingati. See, such an easy sentence I am giving.
Say
Can
that
you
again,
repeat?
madam.
Repeat, ma'am.
Shishuh Jananeem Alingati.
The child is hugging the mother.
Janani
Hmm.
Alingati.
Ragni Dasyau Nindati.
What is Rashyav?
Yeah, we will go in the order. Okay, Anil Mahodaya, take the draft.
What is Rashyav?
Ragni.
Ragni is queen.
Huh.
What is Rashyav?
Dasyau Nindati.
Servant.
Dasi.
Oh, Dashyav. Okay. Dashyav.
Two servants.
The queen is Nindati.
Abusing.
Scold.
No, but
Condemn.
okay. The queen is scolding the two servants. To the two maid servants or lady servants.
Bharatiyaः नदीः पूजयन्ति.
Permission, Mahodaya.
Bharatiya is doing puja to all the lovers.
Puja to whom?
All the lovers. Nadihi.
Reverse.
Worship all lovers.
Yes. Ragni Sakhibhiः Alankaram Karayati.
Ragi, the queen, Sakhibihi. Sakhibihi is Tritiya Vibhakti, Bahuvachanam. For the friends, with the friends, she's decorating with the friends. Sakhibihi Alankaram.
She
Karoti.
gets them done, no? Karayati.
Karayati. Okay. Then, so that means, she's getting
Decorated with her friends.
By
her
Oh,
friend. By the servants.
No, by her friends, Sakhi, right?
Friends.
Sakhi friends. Girlfriends. To be more.
नारीभ्यः सुवर्णभूषणानि रोचन्ते.
Gold ornaments are liked by women.
व्याघ्राः अटव्याः बहिः सञ्चरन्ति.
Vyagraha is tiger.
Tigers.
Vyagraha, tigers. Can you repeat the sentence, ma'am, again? Vyagraha
अटव्याः बहिः सञ्चरन्ति.
Sancharan. Atavya, what is
Atavi,
Atavi, right? Atavi.
Forest.
Atavi. Tigers are roaming outside the forest. Atavya is Atavi. Atavya. Is it like Panchami there? Or?
बहिः यदि बहिः आगच्छति तदा किं करणीयम्?
Panchami.
मीनः नदीभ्यः बहिः न आगच्छन्ति. मीनाः.
Fish are not coming outside the river.
Sita, this you know, this not required. अत्र नद्योः संगमः भवति.
The rivers Sangama happens here.
Two rivers.
Nadyau or
Nadyoho.
Nadyoho is two for two rivers.
Okay.
The merging of two rivers happens here. Yeah.
Shashti, right? Shashti Dvivachan.
Nadinam jalam na ksharam.
Nadinam jalam na ksharam.
Ksharam.
Ksharam?
Ksharam is salty. Salty.
The water of the river is not salty.
Worse.
Nadinam.
Nadinam. Matsyaha nadyam nivasanti. That no, not.
Matsyaha.
Wait. Something.
Fishes live in the rivers. The river.
Premamaya vanya mitrani vashikuru.
Can you repeat again?
Premamaya vanya mitrani vashikuru.
Premamaya vanya. Sweet words with love. Vasi bhoot means spellbounds. Yeah, can you repeat the sentence again?
Premamaya vanya mitrani vashikuru.
Vashikuru.
Spellbounds the friends.
Vashikuru means impress or
Attract.
Vashikuru. I don't know who we should Vashikuru. That I didn't.
Latin Lord Pataya.
I mean, say the sentence again, please.
Premamaya vanya mitrani vashikuru.
Vanya mitrani. Mitrani is friends.
By speaking loving words.
With loving words.
Friends.
Vanya.
Friends are attracted by sweet words.
Attract
friends by
sweet words. Kuru. Attract friends by sweet words. Because Vanya is Tritya, right?
No,
yes.
It is loving words, right? Premamaya.
Vanya.
Vani is a sound. Or
Vanya is Tritya, right?
Yes.
Premamaya also is Tritya. Because it's adjective to Vanya.
I had that question regarding the Vyagraha, Atavyaha, right? Or Atavya?
Atavyaha bahihi.
Yeah.
Okay. Medinyam shuraha eva jayanti.
Pardon me?
Medinyam shuraha eva jayanti.
Medinya means what is the meaning? I don't know.
Medini.
The intelligent person?
Bhumi.
Okay.
Medinyam shuraha eva jayanti.
Acha. Only brave people become victorious in this Bhumi. Okay.
So Medhini or Medini?
Medini. Janani janmabhumihi cha swargat api hariyasi.
This is, I think, Ramayana.
This is a popular.
Janani.
Janmabhumihi cha.
Janani Janmabhumi. Motherland.
Swargat api gariyasi.
What is Gariyasi?
Swargat means heaven.
From heaven. Swargat Panchami, right? So from heaven.
Dan.
Gariyati. This is Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. Yasi means, right? Gari.
Is it like come? Gari means what? Garati. Gariti.
Is it superior? Gariyasi, is it superior?
Yes.
Janani
superior.
Janmabhumi. Okay. The mother and motherland is superior to earth, to heaven.
One.
Superior than earth.
Heaven. Than
Swarga.
heaven.
So in that case, what is the vibhakti used for Swarga? Swargat?
Panchami.
Comparison.
Swargat. Panchami.
Swargat.
From. Better from Swarga.
Better than. Than, no. Than is there. Better than.
What is Gariyasi? I didn't understand. Gariyasi means?
Superior.
Superior.
No, why is then it is Madhyama Purusha?
It is
Very
not
important.
Madhyama Purusha. Gariyasi.
Oh, it is a word in itself. Oh, I never knew there is a word with ending with C also.
Next.
So it is not Madhyama Purusha
No.
Ekavachana.
No.
Gariyasi.
Tasu Ragnishu ka Sukumaratama.
Tar Ragnisu.
Tasu Ragnishu ka Sukumaratama.
Asu Ragnisu. Oh,
Tasu Ragnishu.
Tasu is Saptami
okay,
Bahuvachan.
Ragnisu. Yeah.
Tasu becomes in that. Ragnishu is queens. In those queens. Yeah, can you repeat the sentence again?
Tasu Ragnishu.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
No problem. I need help. Tasu Ragnishu.
Ka Sukumaratama.
Ka Sukumaratama. Who is the prince?
Who is a beautiful?
Sukumaram. Sukumaram is delicate.
Delicate.
Tender.
Sukumarata is again, I think, comparing who is
most beautiful.
Sukumaratama.
Who is more Sukumar?
Most beautiful.
Oh, who is more
Most beautiful.
most beautiful among the
Not beautiful.
Among the queens.
Sukmari is very delicate.
Delicate.
Okay, who is the most delicate or among the queens? Okay.
Yes.
Puraneshu strinam shauryaस्य kathaah varnitaah. Puraneshu strinam shauryaस्य kathaah varnitaah.
Puraneshu in the Purana.
In the Purana, so what was the last word?
Puraneshu strinam shauryasya kathaah varnitaah.
Kathaah varnita. Okay, in the Puranas, there are stories of valorous women. Women.
Sauryam is
varnitaah.
Described.
In the Purana is described the stories of valorous women.
So Varnitaha is what form it is?
Varnitaah, varnitau, varnitaah.
Oh, it's a noun. No, okay.
It is like Puranaha Varnitaha.
Strilingam asti kila. Atah varnita, varnite, varnitaah. Like that.
So it is describing the ladies, right? Varnitaha.
Yes. Okay. Then Vidya. Vidya Lakshmiya saha prakashate.
That is knowledge. Knowledge is shining along with money or whatever. Aishwaryam.
Jananyaah vachanam na ullanghaniyam.
Do not abandon or what is it now? I mean, what it means, listen to your mother's word. What it is.
Jananyaha.
Vachanam. Jananyaha vachanam na ullanganiyam.
You should not cross your mother's words.
Should not disobey.
You should not disobey, right?
Ullanganiyam. Okay. You should.
Then Kavatam Angulya Tadayati.
Kavatam?
Angulya Tadayati.
Angulya is
Like this.
by the finger. Tadayati is beat. Kavata, I don't know what that is. Kavata is...
Angulya is with the finger, right? With the finger.
Yeah.
Kavatam.
What is Kavatam?
Kavatam, actually here they have given door. But I thought... I don't know.
Like this, right? Knock the door.
Knock the door with the finger.
Angulya.
Kavatam.
Oh, Kavatam. Oh, okay. Knock the door. Okay.
Kavatam Angulya.
Namahadia is very tired today.
Tadayati. Rupyakasya Panchakadalyaha. Rupyakasya Panchakadalyaha.
Okay. Rupakasya.
Rupyakas.
Oh, Rupyakasya. Yeah. Pancha
Kadalya.
Okay. Okay. I'll just tell. Wait. Kadalya. Panchakadalya, 5 banana.
For 1 rupee.
Is of 1 rupee.
5 bananas for 1 rupee.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Well, you said Kasya, right? Did
Yeah,
you say
Sashti.
Rupyakasya?
Off, right?
But
Then
Oh, to
How
make
did
it
you
proper
get-
English.
How did you guess 1 rupee? How did
Ekasya rupasya.
Rupyakasya. Here Rupyakasya. They have given only Rupyakasya. So if it is 2 or 3 rupees, they would have given no.
Yeah.
Rupyakau, Rupyakasya, Rupyakyoho, Rupyakanam.
Samskrita Bharatyaha aparam nama Girvana Bharati iti.
Yeah, the other name of Samskrita Bharati is Girvana Bharati.
Very easy.
For Parmeshwaram Modi, I didn't even understand.
I know.
Dhulya avrute darpane mukham na drishyate.
Oh.
Dhulya.
Avrute darpane.
So the dust covered mirror in the dust in the dust or on the dust in the dust covered mirror, you cannot see the face.
Mirror covered with the dust. Tritya, right?
Yeah. Apane. Yeah.
Avarana.
Darpane.
Dhenavaha asmakam sampat.
Dhenavaha asmakam sampat. For
what is sampat?
For us,
Wealth.
Cow is wealth.
Cows are our wealth.
Cows are our wealth.
Graminaha janaha dhenuhu palayanti.
The villagers.
Dhenuhu palayanti. Okay, so village people, palayati is keep rear the cows.
Gopala Krishnaha gaha charayati sma.
Gopala means Sri Krishna is rearing the cows also.
Cows.
Sma.
Sma asti.
Was.
He was rearing the cow.
Shishurupi
Gaha is go dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachanam, right?
Gava.
Gaha.
Gam, gavau, gaha. Shishurupi Shri Krishna Shriya Deeptya Kantya cha Bhumim Avatirnaha Udaya Ravihi iva Drishyate Sma. If you want, you can write down and then do the translation.
Okay. This big sentence.
It's a big sentence. Shishirupi Shri Krishna Shriya Kama Deeptya Kantya cha Bhumim Avatirnaha Udaya Ravihi iva Drishyate Sma.
Okay.
Shishurupena Krishna, right? Shishurupi Krishna. The Sri Krishna in the child form, right? Child form. Shriya Ditya. Shriya Ditya Kanteya.
Kantya.
Yeah, Kantya. Kantya. That is Tritiya Vibhakti, Ekavachanam, all these things.
All are, I think, Tritiya only.
Tritiya Vibhakti.
Kama.
All these three. The Shriya is a name, or Shri is a wealth, with wealth. With wealth, Ditya and Kanti is like the shining or the brightness. I don't know. Bhumim.
Deep is brightness.
Okay, there is brightness. Brightness and then shining, probably. With all these things, he was born, or took avatar. Avatirnya. After born with this in a child form, he Udaya Ravi iva Drishyate. He looked like a rising sun. He looked like a rising sun. Having born in the child form with wealth, brightness, and shining, Kanti, the
Aura.
aura. With all these things, born on the earth, he looked like a morning sun or rising sun.
What is Kamaha?
Kantya.
Shriya Kamaha Diptya.
Kama.
Shriya Deeptya Kantya. Kanti.
No.
Comma.
The punctuation comma.
Kama.
Okay.
So everything is Sanskrit for you now. All sounds are Sanskrit.
I have been reading. I am like reading.
All sounds are Sanskrit. God, the Sanskrit word.
Manavaha Swadhiya Alochayanti.
Manavaha
Swadhiya Alochayanti.
Swadhiya.
Dhiya.
So, people, Alochayanti is think. Right? Think. Swadhiya. Swadhiya is
on their own.
Okay. People think on their own.
With their own dhiya.
By their Tritiya Vibhakti. By their own intellect. By their own.
Yes.
Okay.
Shriyadeyam, Hriyadeyam, Bhiyadeyam.
Anila Mahodaya.
Shriyadeyam, Hriyadeyam, Bhiyadeyam. These are all Upanishad statements.
Okay. Deham or what is it?
Deyam.
Give.
Deyam.
Deyam.
Yam. Shriya Deyam.
Like
Dhiya
begging,
Deyam.
begging for Shriya. Give me. Give me wealth.
Give me, not give me.
Give me, like, give wealth. Give wealth.
Given.
Dhiya is buddhi, intellect. Okay. And
Shriya, Shri, Lakshmi.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, Shriya.
First was Shriya, second was?
Hri, Ha and Ra. Hri.
The Shriya Deyam, and third was?
Bhiya.
Bhiya Deyam. Okay, so we are basically, it's like praying to God to give something.
No.
No? Shriya, Dhiya, okay, Shriya. So Shriya will be, is it like Tritya again? Okay. Shriya. Deyam. Deyam. What is Deyam? Give.
Given.
Oh, it is like the Aniyar Pratyaya. Okay. Should. Shriya. Wealth.
When you are giving, give in abundance. That's what they are saying. Sampat, with.
No, give by, right?
Then Hriyadeyam. You should
With the
give.
heart, right? Full.
No.
Heartful.
What is Bhiya?
Bhayam.
Oh, you should give with fear, huh?
No. Fear. Atra bhiya ityukte, you should give what is going to be of use to the others. So if you don't bother about that and give, that's not good. So they are saying
it is like don't throw, but give it with humble, with like modestly give it. That's what.
Okay. Have a fear of not just giving like that.
Chavundarayaha Bahubalehe Murtim Akarayat.
Sarveshwaran Mahodaya.
Chavundarayaha is a name. Chavundarayaha Bahubalehe Murtim Akarayat.
Chavundaraya, the Murti of Mahabali. What is the verb to do? Akarayat.
So he did that. He made the statue of Bahubali.
Got it constructed.
No, what is the verb? I didn't get the verb.
Akarayat. He did. Okay. Chavundaraya.
Karadi.
Is it Lang Lakara?
Yeah.
So what was the sentence? Can you repeat once again?
Chamundraya Bahubalehe Murti Akarayat. Murti Akarayat.
Chamundi is Devi, right? Chamundaraya. Chamundaraya.
Chavunda. Chavunda.
Chavunda. Okay.
Mahabalehe. Kavehe.
Bharatadeshaha Vishwa Shantiyai Prayatati.
Bharatadeshe or Bharatadesha? What is that? Desha.
Bharatadesha.
Bharata, the India or Bharatadesham, the country, is trying for the world peace. Vishwa Shanti is the world's Shantyai. Or
For world base.
for the word space. The verb is prayatnam karoti. Or Shashantyai. Prayatati is trying. Prayatati. If I have a reading accommodation in the exam, it will be easy for me. Okay, you read for me, I will write. By the time I read, my patience goes away.
So the exam, is it like question paper will be sent to us and then we write it online? How is it?
Yes, I think so.
I think same to what we did midterm, I think.
No, midterm actually it was shown on the video only.
What video?
Yeah,
when we took the midterm.
Yeah, it was shown in this Zoom only, right?
No, we got the question paper too, right? We printed it.
I think by mail you got it, huh?
Yep.
Email?
Yeah.
इदानीं शब्दान् उपयुज्य वाक्यान् रचयामः वा?
प्रयत्नं कुर्मः.
अद्य बाल्यजन्तवः अजः
grass. What is grass? Grass.
Trunam.
Ajah trinam khadati. Ajah is goat, right?
Khadati or charati is also.
Charati.
Grazes.
So ajah trinam charitva manjilam atati.
कुत्र अटति?
Parvatam atati. Earlier I told manjil, then I realized it might be a Hindi word.
Parvatam meaning mountain, hill.
Mountain, atati is like roaming mountain.
Actually, I didn't want to use atati, then I didn't get the word for climb.
Arohati.
Okay. Parvatam arohati.
Atate, I think atati comes means parvate atati, right? It roams in the mountain, on the mountain. Parvate atati. Saptami.
Parameshwaran Mahodaya.
What word?
So
you build a story with Palya Jantavaha. Ajaha, Gauhu, Vrishabhaha, Mahishaha, Mahishi, Gajaha, and then Varaha.
Pura sarvesham griheshu gavaha charanti sma.
Yataha ajaha charanti tataha ajaha charanti tataha yataha tataha, right? Tataha ekaha ashvaha api agacchati. Tatra agacchati.
Gardabhaha api asti tatra, Swapna Mahodaya.
Yataha, what did you mean by
yataha? When the I meant to say when the goat was grazing, a horse also came.
Yataha. Shouldn't it be yada?
Yeah, yada. Yeah. Yada Yada, that's what I was going. Yada ajaha charanti tada ekah ashvaha api agachati. Tatra agachati, or tatra is good. Tatra agachati.
Ajaha went to another place. How do I say that? The
Anya.
goat. Anya.
Kshetra.
No, Anya.
Pradesham?
No, or Anya Pradesham? No, Anya another part of the mountain. How do I say her? Another part of the mountain.
Bhagam, Anyat Bhagam.
Anyat Bhagam Gachanti.
गर्दभः अस्ति तदनन्तरं मार्जारः अस्ति शुनकः अस्ति शशः कुक्कुटः whatever you want you can use.
If you sing that old McDonald's song, you have all those animals. You can use.
तदनन्तरं गर्दभ आसीत् नीलवस्त्रं धृत्वा धावति. Basically, I wanted to say he came from the washerman with blue clothes on and he ran from there.
तदनन्तरं एकः कुक्रः तत्र आगच्छति. सा तान् मृगान् दृष्ट्वा भक्षति.
बिडालः शुनकः दृष्ट्वा बहु शुनकः not बिडालः शुनकात् भीतिः भवति अनुभवति भीतिम् अनुभवति. Or another word is bhitayati or
बिभ्यते.
Yeah, that's what the word. Bibyati.
Trashyati also was there.
तत्र पक्षिणः अपि सन्ति. शुकः, पारावातः, चटकः, कोकिलः.
तत्र एकं कोकिलम् आगच्छति. कोकिलः आगच्छति.
मयूरः अस्ति वा तत्र?
मयूरः नृत्यति.
कोकिलः मधुरं संगीतं गायति.
बिडालः शनैः गत्वा चटकान् खादति.
What is chatakan?
Chataka is a bird, sparrow. So it ate all the birds, sparrows. Many sparrows it ate. Mushakan, the bidala, the cat. Mushakan api kadati. Akadat. I'm trying to use different vibhakti and
okay.
Mukhena khadati.
मयूरः किं करोति?
मयूरः कोकिले गीतं नृत्यति. कोकिलायां गीतायां
कोकिलायाः
गोकुलायाः
किलायाः गीता
गीतं श्रुत्वा नृत्यति
कोकिलायाः
गीतं
गीतायां
गीतं श्रुत्वा नृत्यति
कोकिलः पुल्लिङ्गं किल
अच्छा कोकिलः
कोकिलः not कोकिला
कोकिलस्य
ओके
कोकिलस्य
मयूराः कोकिलस्य गीतं श्रुत्वा
कोकिलानां बहुवचनं करोतु
कोकिलानां गीतानि श्रुत्वा नृत्यन्ति
तत्र काकाः अपि आकाशे डयन्ति
कुक्कुटः किं करोति
कुक्कुटः
प्रातःकाले सर्वजनान् कूजन्ति
उत्तिष्ठन्ति
उत्तिष्ठार्थं उच्चैः उत्थापनाय उच्चैः what is that crowing what is कूजन्ति
कोकिलः कूजति
कुक्कुरः कुक्कुरति
कुक्कति
probably I don't know whatever it is शब्दं करोति उच्चैः शब्दं करोति
तदा पारावातः किं करोति
पारावात
अर्थं कः
पिजन्
oh paravatam
there is another word for the kapota
पत्रं वहति
kapota
प्रेम पत्रं वहति
अस्तु तदा बहूनि फलानि सन्ति तत्र आम्रफलमस्ति कदलीफलमस्ति तदनन्तरं सेवफलमस्ति द्राक्षाफलमस्ति
अनानासफलं
अनानासफलमपि अस्ति
दाडिमम् अस्ति
नारङ्गफलमस्ति नारङ्गफलमस्ति जम्बूफलानि पक्वानि पतन्ति विमले जले कपिकं पितशा that Kalidasa's this thing is there no
what is guava
बहुबीजफलं
no bijaphalam
Jambufalam is a beach
and what is that for watermelon kalingaphalam kalingam
no
right
kalingaphalam
एकदा भोजराजः जम्बूफलस्य पतनं जले जम्बूफलं पतति तद्ध्वनिं श्रुत्वा भोजराजः अग्रिमदिने सर्वेषां वदति गुलुगु गुलुगु गुलु एतत् पूरयन्तु इति
Jambufalam is it jackfruit
न पनसफलम् is jackfruit
okay that is custard
jamun maybe jambuphalam is
jambuphalam जम्बूद्वीपः
It is in
भारतं जम्बूद्वीपमिति अपि कथ्यन्ते किल. So we had a lot of जम्बूफलम् in India. तदा कालिदासः वदति जम्बूफलानि पक्वानि पतन्ति विमले जले कपि कंपित शाखाभ्यः गुलु गुग्गुलु गुग्गुलु. So once it so happens the monkeys were sitting on a tree. They shake the branch and these jambu phalani pakvani jambu phalani patanti vimale jale. They fall into the clear water. Kapi kampita shakhabhyah. Then this sound comes. Gulu gulu gulu. अस्तु अग्रिमं तत्र खर्जूरः अपि अस्ति वा?
खर्जूरः means dates.
अत्र बहवः खर्जूर वृक्षाः अपि सन्ति कुवैत् देशे. इदानीम् आगस्ट् मासे ते पक्वानि भवन्ति. खर्जूरफलानि पक्वानि भवन्ति आगस्ट् मासे. तदा बहु रुचिकराणि फलानि खादितुं शक्नुमः. फलान् खादितुं शक्नुमः. तदनन्तरं मधुकर्कटी अस्ति. मधुकर्कटी
papaya.
मधुकर्कटस्य पत्रं
कर्कटेः वा?
न कर्कटस्य मधुकर्कटस्य पत्रं
कर्कटस्य इति नास्ति किल.
कर्कटी ओके कर्कट्या कर्कट्याः राइट कर्कट्याः
कर्कटी इति
is pullinga strilinga?
स्त्रीलिंगं कर्कटी मधुकर्कटी.
Okay, then it can be madhukarkatyaah, right? Shashti vibhakti.
मधुकर्कट्याः
madhukarkatyaah patram dengu
jaraartham jwaram fever.
Dengu jwaram
cures.
Correct it. How do you
Nivaranartham.
say? Nivarana.
उपयोगम
मधुकर्कट्याः पत्राणि किं करणीयं? जले
उष्णजले रसम extract. What do you say? Extract.
कषायं. मधुकर्कट्याः पर्णानां
कषायं
डेंगू
prepare
कषायं पीत्वा पानेन अथवा
कषायं
मधुकर्कट्याः
डेंगू ज्वरं धावति
अपगच्छति. डेंगू ज्वरः अपगच्छति. डेंगू कुत्र धावति?
स्वर्गलोके धावति.
नरकलोक.
एकवारं पुनः एकवारं सम्पूर्णं वाक्यं वदतु महोदय.
मधुकर्कट्याः पत्रं डेंगू ज्वरं
पत्रस्य कषायं पत्रस्य कषायं
पत्रस्य कषायं
तस्य कषायम् उष्णजलं
कषायम् इत्युक्ते
ओके ओके
पुनः उष्णजलम् इति
तस्य
आवश्यकता नास्ति।
तस्य कषायं पीत्वा तस्य कषायं पीत्वा डेङ्ग्यूज्वरम् अपगच्छति।
अत्र भल्लातकफलम् इत्यस्ति, तत् किम् अहमपि न जानामि। भल्लातकफलम् इत्यस्ति।
पश्यामि
भल्लातकफलम् अस्तु।
cashew nut.
It's called marking nut.
Cashew nut.
भल्लातकफलं मां न रोचते।
किमर्थम्?
Throat gets irritated with that rasam.
मम्मा भल्लातकफलं हृदयरोगे सहयोगं करोति।
क्या रोगे?
एवं वा?
हृदय
ओ हृदय रोगे। ओ
पथ्यं वा भल्लातकफलम्?
अति भुक्त्वा।
So is it the Bhalataka means is a cashew nut or the fruit of the cashew nut?
Fruit.
Palladaka balena feni idi madhyam karmadi.
किं भवति?
फेनी नामक मद्यम अस्ति।
ड्रिंक
मद्यपानं
गोवा राज्ये
it is very famous, right? Best course.
भल्लातकफलेन मद्यं
निर्माय जनाः पिबन्ति
होसगवन्ति।
बहु प्रख्यातः वा तत्?
गोवा प्रदेशे
गोवा प्रदेशे एव प्रख्यातः वा? अस्तु।
I think that is the only fruit which has the seed outside the fruit. Vallatakapalam. Everything else is inside, but this one is outside.
तत्र पुष्पाणि सन्ति, कमलं, जपाकुसुमं, मुकुलं, मन्दारः, पाटलं, सेवन्तिका, मल्लिका, पारिजातं, केतकी, शङ्खपुष्पम् इति।
नानाविध पुष्पाणि
पूजयामि।
नानाविध पुष्पाणि स्वीकृत्य माला
रचयामि।
निर्माणयामि।
सूत्रे
make a garland, right? So this one ketaki pushpam means, is it the tarambu? What is that? Ketaki means, how does it look?
Maybe
Mogalipu. I don't know what is in Kannada. It is like the leaf. It looks like a leaf with give a lot of fragrance.
Mogali is mukulam kila.
Mukulam means bud, right? Mukulam.
And pushpasya raji patalam asti.
न चम्पकम् अस्ति किल.
Okay, Raja Patlim asti.
अहं न
Say that again.
जानामि.
What did you say?
He's saying the king of flowers, is it rose?
King of flowers.
No. Queen
Lotus.
of flowers.
Kamalam. Kamalam.
Because it's our Rajya Puspam.
Lotus is our language. Lotus.
Kamalam.
That's what I'm asking. That's why you're saying Kamalam is king.
But if you recite or listen to any slokam, they say the face is like a lotus, eyes are like a lotus. Everything is a lotus.
And you should be a person like lotus leaf.
Because it is a pankaja. It lives in panka and still it's not.
Yeah, it is not infected.
अस्तु.
See, what is the pink? The color pink is also partly the
Patalam.
Patalam is for the
Rose.
flower also, rose also. Patala pushpam.
Patala pushpam.
Yeah, they gave us patalam.
Color meaning varnam, right? Varnam, you have to say varnam.
Patala varnam.
पारिजातस्य विषये किञ्चित् वदन्तु.
एकस्मिन् नारदमुनि एकः पारिजात स्वर्गलोकात् पारिजातपुष्पं
आनयति
ददाति आनयति आनीय
Devendraya dadadi.
No, not Devendraya. He will come to Krishna. And he'll bring only one flower, and then he will give it Satyabhama or Rukmini. Say Krishna, he'll give it to Krishna and give it to one of the wives. Tasya Bharyaha
Patni.
Dadatu iti uktavan. Krishna tat pushpam Rukminihi dattavan. Rukminyai dattavan. Rukminyai dattavan. Iti jnatum Satyabhama jnatva Satyabhama bahu kupyati. I'm using both present tense and past tense. Krishnaya kupyati. Krishnaya kupyati. So parijata pushpam svikaranaartam sa tulabharam
तुलाभारं
करणीयम् इति निश्चय.
What does it mean?
So the thing is, she wanted that flower, so she was very jealous about Rukmini getting that flower. For that, so she said, okay, I will give all my wealth to get that flower. And then Krishna will be in the Tulabharam, right? The scale. Tula. So Krishna will be on one side and she will place all the jewels and everything on the other side. and still it will be Krishna will be on the bottom, and then it will be like this. So then Rukmini comes with a lot of devotion, and then places one tulasi leaf on the other side, it will come down. So it is not the wealth that you can attain God, it's only with bhakti you can attain. That is the story of Parijatam. It's actually
Beautiful, beautiful.
story of Parijatam.
Sundaram, Ati Sundar.
Did I say the story right?
Story is right, but not in English.
Half in Sanskrit, half in English.
Okay, no, because first they need to understand the story. So what?
Yeah, whatever you told in Sanskrit, we were almost there. We were able to understand.
So tulayam, tulayaha, panchami vibhakti, saptami vibhakti, tulayam, Satyabhama, tasyaha abharana sarvani abharanani स्थापयति परन्तु the तुलायाः स्थालिका उपरि न आगच्छति.
तदा तत् अनन्तरमपि तोलनं न भवति.
स्केलिंग तोलनं न भवति. तदनन्तर तदा रुक्मिणी श्रुत्वा अति दुःखं अनुभवति. सा तुलसी मातां पूजां कृत्वा एकदलं तुलसीदलम् आनीय तुलसीदलं तत्र स्थापयति, तुलायां स्थापयति. तदनन्तरं तोलनं भवति.
झटिति तद्
तोलनं भवति.
इमीडियेट्लि झटिति भवति इति दृष्ट्वा सत्यभामा बहु लज्जते लज्जाम् अनुभवति. कृष्णात् क्षमापणार्पणं पृच्छति. कृष्णाय क्षमां याचति. क्षमापणं क्षमापं रैट्, क्षमां याचति.
कथा समाप्ता.
बहु सम्यक् सरस्वती.
हस्तताडनं करोगा. करताडनं.
I will be back in 1 minute.
I read this Subhashita. This is very nice actually. One father is saying to his son, यद्यपि बहुना अधीशे पठ पुत्र तथापि व्याकरणं शकलो मा भूत् स्वजनः श्वजनः सकृत् शकृत् इति. यद्यपि बहुनाधीशे पठ पुत्र tathapi vyakaranam. Hey putra, even if you don't study much, please read some vyakaranam,
Grammar.
Grammar. Otherwise, sakalaha shakalaha. Sakalaha ityukte all.
All, and
Everything.
Sakala is face.
Shakalaha Swajanaha Shvajanaha. Swajanaha will become Shvajanaha. Swajanaha is
Relatives.
Shvajanaha is dog, like that.
Animal.
Then Sakrit, Shakrit. Sakrit is
Good deeds.
Shakrit is cow dung. Sakalaha Shakalaha, Swajanaha Shvajanaha, Sakrit Shakrit. Like that. It. So if you read Vyakaranam, you will not make such mistakes. That's what the father is saying.
Oh,
Can you repeat, Subhashidam?
Yes, yes.
in the words, is it like slight difference between the words Swajana and Sajana?
Yes, yes.
Oh.
Yadyapi bahuna adhishe patha putra tathapi vyakaranam sakalaha shakalo ma bhut. Shakalaha ityukte thief. Swajanaha shvajanaha sakrit shakrit. So okay. So I think today because of this internet problem, I'm unable to share much. Anyhow, shall we wind up, or do you want to continue?
Good choice, man.
No, it's almost 8 o'clock.
Hmm?
Where is Saraswati Mahodi? She told she will come.
Is there already?
Yes, yeah.
She has come.
Ah.
Yeah, yeah.
You want to continue?
It's fine with me. It's almost time. We have only 5 more minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, we can end up. Next class, can we take one question paper and then take turns and then do completely some question paper?
Yes, you can do. No problem.
So that way we can discuss on that, and also we will learn.
Is it that the Pravesha Pariksha Dwadas chapter
11th or 12th
same every time, or they keep on changing? The Prasnapatram, Dwadasa Adhyayasya Prasnapatram, is it like same every time, or is it changes when they reprint the books?
I think the same.
But in our drive, there are other question papers too. Probably we can take some question paper.
That we can do. From the drive, we can.
Yeah. So that way we know like how much we are really prepared for the exam.
Where you stand.
Is it under the Pravesha file?
If you go, it is under our drive. It is Samskrita Bharati, I think, SB.
Okay.
And then there are many question papers.
We can do actually at least 2 question papers we can do, because all the topics need not be covered. Some of the topics you will be knowing very well. So only what are important, those topics you do and go to the next question paper.
When we are listening, it's easy to understand, but when you read, read, I mean, on our own, when we try to, in a group, really it helps.
Don't they allow group exams?
Yeah, we will do a very good job as a team.
We'll do all the things. We'll do a setup with the group.
And our dictionary is Anila Mahodaya and Parmeshwar Mahodaya both.
Parmeshwar Mahodaya. Don't name me.
अस्तु ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
धन्यवादः.